Alright, so you should have purchased your HostGator hosting account, your hatchling, for your website. And there's almost always a code that you can enter, and it'll give you, I believe it gives you your first month for a penny. So there's a code that I put in. It was Gator Coupon 10 or something. I don't know how long that's going to work for, but that gave me my first month of hosting, web hosting, for a penny. So that was a great deal. Now, once you have purchased your hosting, you'll get an email from HostGator. You should get, I think, a couple emails, and you're going to want to save all the emails that you get from GoDaddy for purchasing your website, and from the hosting company. I just move the emails I get into a folder on my email account, so that makes it really easy to recall them if you need the information. So this is what I'm in right now. This is the cPanel. There's two different accounts that you get with your account information when the HostGator sends you an email. One account is for your billing, which is the account you need to go into to pay your billing each month, unless you purchase a lot of months in advance, unless you purchase a year or more or something of hosting. You don't have to worry about that for a while, but your billing account is where you pay everything. So this is your cPanel account. This is the main account that you're going to go into to install WordPress for your website. So all you have to do is they give you the link to your exact cPanel account, which up here, this is mine, and they'll give you the password for it and everything. And I prefer to leave the password that they give you just the way it is, because it's such a great password, because it contains special characters, and there's basically, it's impossible pretty much for anybody to try to hack their way into your account if you leave the password the way it is. It's really hard to remember. You actually probably won't be able to remember it. You'll have to copy and paste it from some file that you keep it in, but it's better to do it that way because you can make sure your account's really secure. Now, once you have your information, you can go ahead and type in your username, your password, and just click login. So now what it's going to do here is log you into your cPanel account for your HostGator hatchling web hosting account that you purchased. So you can just go ahead and close this out. You don't need to use that. So as you see here, there's all kinds of stuff in front of your face that can get really confusing if you don't know what you're doing. So let's see here. So this just tells all the information about your web hosting account. And so to install WordPress, what you're going to do here is, and this is what I like about HostGator, they make it really easy to install WordPress. So you're going to go to, let's see, I haven't done this in a while. I believe it's under Quick Install. So you're going to go to Software Service, under Software and Services, and click Quick Install. So now it's going to take you here and show you all these different types of software you can install. But you just want WordPress. So if you look here, blog software, it says WordPress. So go ahead and click WordPress. So it's going to tell you what version of WordPress it's going to install. It's going to tell you the size. Just click continue. So install WordPress. So this will be your website here, whatever your domain is that you put in when you purchased your hosting account. So what you want to do is just leave this the way it is, because you want the WordPress installation to install on root, so you don't want it on a subdirectory. So enable auto upgrades, I would leave that checked, because it means it'll upgrade your WordPress installations automatically when there's new ones released. So that's really helpful. So I'm just going to enter in my my email here. And you can just put see admin username. So do that. Blog title. So the blog title doesn't really matter right away. You can just put, for example, just put whatever the topic of your sub niche is. So mine would be digital photography. Put your first and last name here and click install now. So now what it's going to do is it's going to tell you your installation is ready. Tells you can access it by clicking here, and it tells you your username and your password. So you're going to want to save this and put it in a file somewhere. And that is how you install WordPress, and it's really that simple. So in the next video we're gonna go over how you change the name servers so you can get your website up and running.